You can set your Galaxy Z Flip4 to reset by itself after several failed attempts to unlock it. This is to protect your files and personal information in case you lose it. In this video, we will show how to enable the auto factory reset on your Galaxy Z Flip4. But before we move on, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to support us. Going back to our topic, here's how you do it. Pull up the app drawer and tap Settings. Inside the settings screen, scroll down and tap Lock Screen. Another menu opens with all the lock screen settings and features. To continue, tap Secure Lock Settings on the succeeding menu. If prompted, enter your security PIN, pattern, or password to proceed. On the next screen, you will see all preloaded features that you can use to secure your phone's lock screen. Find Auto Factory Reset from the given options and then tap to turn on the switch next to it. When the switch turns blue, the automatic factory reset function is already enabled. It will require 20 failed unlock attempts to trigger this feature, but it's necessary to further protect your privacy. We hope that this guide can help you. Have a great day.